Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to be painting a rock for the Avalanche ride at Blackpool Pleasure Beach. And if you don't know what this ride is, basically it's a roller coaster that opened at Blackpool Pleasure Beach back in 1988. It's like a bobsled coaster, and this is a rare type of coaster model. It's the only one in the UK. Basically, that means it's like a roller coaster, but when it gets to the top of the lift hill, the track turns from normal roller coaster track to like actual like a bobsled track, like like on a bobsled in the Olympics where it like semicircle shaped track and it's actually like a bobsled. There's no rails or anything. It's like a bobsled, but it is perfectly safe. It doesn't fly off the track at some point. It's perfectly safe. I've been on it a few times and it's absolutely good fun. I'm going to be painting a rock for the rides that's today, so I hope you enjoy it. Let's go on with it. Right, so thank you all very much for watching this video, and if you enjoyed it then please make sure to like and subscribe. I'm going to be uploading more of these rock painting videos in the coming weeks and months as I hide more of these rocks all around the UK and soon the world, because when I go back to Walt Disney World in a couple of years I'll be hiding some rocks there. Like I said, if you find any of these rocks at any theme parks and you're on Facebook, then go onto Facebook and tag Thomas the Minecraft fan in the post, so that you will have infinite bragging rights and you found one of my rocks. I want to thank you all very much for watching this video, and if you enjoyed it then please make sure to like and subscribe and comment if you would like to see next time. Bye!